This is video 1 of your 1.2.3 notes. Our learning target is I can use Triangle Sum Theorem to determine missing interior angle measures of a triangle. Now we did this in topic 1, but in topic 1 it was just a conjecture. Here in topic 2 we actually proved it to be true, and once mathematicians prove something to be true, it becomes a theorem. So this theorem says the sum of the three interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. We have our diagram here, so we have the measure angle A plus the measure angle B plus the measure angle C equals 180 degrees. So let's do a couple examples. Example 1 here, we'll use this triangle. And we have these measures. The question may say find the measure of x, or what the value of x is. Or it might say, what's the measure of angle Lkj? Let's use that as our example. So we're going to find the measure of angle Lkj. All right, in order to do that, we have to figure out x first. So we can set up our equation by adding the three angles and set them equal to 180 degrees. So we're going to have x minus 10 plus 2x plus 35 plus x plus 15 equals 180 degrees. All right, combine like terms. I have 4x plus 35, 40, 50, 40. 4x plus 40 equals 180. Now we'll subtract 40 from both sides, the subtraction property of equality, and we get 4x equals 140. Divide both sides by 4, division property of equality, and we're going to get x equals 35. All right, so to answer our question now, the measure of angle Lkj, how do we figure that out? We take 35, substitute for x, so we're going to go 35 minus 10, and our answer is 25 degrees. If it asks you to find all the angle measures, we just simply do the substitution again. 35 goes in here, 2 times 35 is 70, 70 plus 35 is 105. So if we had to find this angle, it would be 105. And then this one would be 35 plus 15, which is 50. This double check doesn't work. 50 plus 25 is 75. 75 plus 105 is 180 degrees. All right, example 2 here, what type of triangle do we have? Where you have the two sides of the same length. That's right, it's an isosceles triangle. So we know with an isosceles triangle that these two angles are actually the same. So they have question marks there. Not the prettiest, but it's question marks. So we know it's 40 plus something has to equal 180. Well, these are going to be the same because it's an isosceles triangle. We know that the base angles opposite these congruent sides are also congruent. So we can call it whatever letter we want to call it. I'll call it just Z. Scroll down a little bit here. So let's say we're going to have 40 plus 2z equals 180. Make sure I didn't lose anybody. Z plus the 40. All right. Subtract 40 from both sides. 2z equals 140. Now we divide both sides by 2, and we get z equals 70 degrees. Those are good examples for how you will be using the Triangle Sum Theorem in this course. Thank you.